마트에서 어떤 기프트숍 있는데 거기서 좀 여러 굿즈를 샀는데 그 가방이 그 이렇게 골든 게이트 브리지 사진 달려 있는데 오늘 그걸 가지고 왔어요.
So yesterday, underneath the Golden Gate Bridge, there's like a gift shop there, and I bought like a bunch of merch there, and I brought this bag that has a Golden Gate Bridge picture on it, and I brought it today.
Wow.
He's so biased. Well, like it started to rain by the end, like by night, and he was like, even the rain here is beautiful. I love this thing. 역시 천혜전. 맞아요. And that's why we are very excited for today's show. I hope we have a great time later. And so, why not sing the second song that we prepared for you guys? 두 번째 노래는 뭘로 갈까요?
What should we do for a second song?
Oh no!
Candy?
Yeah!